Guess what, you guys? We're in my bathroom again. Woo! So today I have a big box right here, and we're gonna open it. So this is the side. Hey, that's the size, y'all. Alright, we are on the floor of my bathroom. There's the toilet and the trash. And so I'm just gonna open this. So this is a storage bag. Okay, basket filter and foam liner. I did get extras of these. So I put home, blah 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 blah, hair strip. Hello, beautiful, that's me. Ooh, look at her. Okay. I mean, she's kind of heavy, but like not as heavy as all the girls were making it seem like. But I mean, she do got some weight to it. So if you're lugging this part around, I could see how like you would get tired. But I want to know, like, is this one heavy with the tube? Because I do feel like this could give you a good thwacking, you know? And I see the tube. This is it.
What's what? A heating wand, heat producing wand, temperature control. Take this little sock off. Oh, that's a shiny teal. Okay. So this is the temperature control. This is the wand mount. This is the heat chamber. Wand hose connector. Yeah. And we got the base connector down here. Weight cap for the freaking machine. Ooh, and it's staticky. I've been staticky for like ever. Ooh, for like a week now. I've been very staticky. Okay. I realized I was looking down when I was talking. But before attaching the filter, I'm gonna watch a couple of videos about how to assemble this, courtesy of a QR code, and then I'll be back with it all put together.
This is it. This is my new $400 blow dryer. So yeah, this is it. If you guys are looking for assembly help, I am not the one or the two. Their website was very helpful for me, so I recommend you use that or find someone else's video. I'm terrible at putting stuff together. Alrighty, and we hit the on button. Ooh. Okay. We have 3 heat settings: no heat, low heat, high heat. We have 7 tension settings. Most of the girls go in with high heat, tension 7. I don't know how strong that is. When I first use this, I'm gonna work my way up. But let's just get a taste of what to expect. at 0. It literally sounds like a rocket. Just tap. You're sucking it. Okay. Ooh. I don't have anything in my hair, so I'm gonna stop doing that. But I'm excited to try this on my next wash day.
So, I have some keys on how we can be successful. So for wash day, wash hair, towel dry, detangle. revair works best on clean, towel dried hair with a light leave-in product applied. Do not oversaturate hair with any product or water to the point of excessive dripping. Application of products with sticky flexatives prior to revving is not recommended. So revving is a verb to use. That's what it's called. I'm revving my hair. Sectioning. Section size should not exceed the size of the wand opening. If your hair has a lot of density or volume, start with slightly smaller sections to allow free unrestricted airflow around the wand. Should a section of hair be too large in volume, the heat chamber will shut down, indicating the size section should be reduced. Simply remove the hair section and retry with less heat. The heat chamber function will reset and automatically resume. Reverse air. Tension, reverse air settings are located on the triangular base. To set the tension level, power on your revair dryer base. After the hello message, oh that's what that was, appears, press the plus button until the revair tension is set to level 3. Do not immediately start at level 7. Oftentimes less is more. Okay. Toggle heat level. Toggle the temperature control button on the wand to the... oh, you want me to do this as I'm reading this? I can't do this and read it on my first time, okay? I have to read everything through first and then we can do it. But I already did it though. Most revair users prefer this setting to achieve the smoothest finish. So most revair users prefer high heat. To avoid overheating, setting 2 should only be used with when the tension is set between level 3 and level 7. So if you're going to use high heat, 3 to 7 is your range. Technique. revair uses technology that is incredibly different from other tools, and it can take quite a bit of time to perfect your technique. Insert a section of hair into the wand until the mouth reaches the scalp. Keep wand or near the scalp, allowing the revair to do the work. Gently move the mouth from the wand across the section of the root. No need to pump, bounce, or swirl the wand. Results. Drying times vary by hair type, commonly range from 30 to 90 plus seconds per section. To ensure a section is dry, pull the wand a few inches from the scalp to feel for dampness. If you still have a bit of dampness, repeat until the hair feels dry, noting the time it took to get it just right. Once dry, pull the wand away from the scalp, comb through, and move to the next section. If you are seeking sleeker, less textured results, increase your tension level for the next section. Keep experimenting until you unlock your unique setting combination. Note, should you experience even a tiny tangle, the tension setting should be lowered. Results. More results. Individual hair characteristics such as volume, porosity, strand thickness, density, and overall health can affect your personal results. Be sure to take some time to manipulate tension settings, heat level, size section, and dry time per section to optimize your results. The section drying times shown on the right are averages. Okay, so we're gonna care about the other ones. Kinky coily, average section drying time, 60 to 120 plus seconds. Okay, help is here. We want you to look at if you're not getting promised results. Contact our team for personalized tips. Often, if you just make it simple like this, and you have a way to do okay, cool. And then cleaning signals. Wash your filter regularly to ensure the revair provides the best results. If you begin to experience any of the following, your filter basket is likely overdue for cleaning. Experience less suction, less tension on your usual setting. The wand mouth feels hotter than usual. Results are less sleek and less silky textured and appearance. In texture and appearance, the heat wand begins to shut off during use. Okay, cleaning the filter basket. Okay, removing hair and dust from your filter basket is not enough. revair recommends emptying your filter basket every 2 to 3 uses and washing your filter basket after every 5 uses. Let the filter basket completely air dry before reinstalling into the base. Okay, and that's why we have 2.
So yeah, and we're gonna keep this.